What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing a get ready with me, or a naughty to hottie transformation. I'm going to do a little mini makeup tutorial, and then of course you will see how I got this look right here. So if you guys want to see, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, jumping right into the video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my routine. First, I start off with my primer, and then I go in with my foundation. And y'all, this is a little disclaimer. I'm not a professional. I am not saying this is how you beat your face and look like an Instagram baddie. All I'm saying is this is how I beat my face to look like an Instagram baddie, okay? So, please watch with discretion advised. If you don't like it, click off this shit, okay? Thanks. Getting back to the video, you want to just blend, honey, blend that foundation in. And I do list all my products in the video. I don't know the names of my brush. I do believe that they are, some are e.l.f., some of Morphe, some are Real Cosmetics, not Morphe, Real Cosmetics, and some are BH Cosmetics. I'm not a professional, y'all. I really don't wear makeup like that. I'll occasionally beat my face. So yeah, once you get your foundation blended out, you want to go in with your concealer, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, on the sides of my mouth, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Blended out, I like to go back in with another LA Pro Girl concealer, and I use the yellow color. I use this to highlight. When I highlight and contour my face, I put my medium beige on first because it is one shade lighter than me, and then I go in with my highlighter just to make everything pop before I set it with my powder. Set my face, I will be using the Airspun translucent setting powder, and I'm just taking a Real Techniques beauty blender, and it is dry, and I'm just pressing the powder into my face. Sorry guys, not too much. I'm just doing like a little light bake. I don't let this sit for too long, but yeah, you want to just go ahead, make sure you got everything sealed and concealed. To contour, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild palette in the color medium, and I'm just going in with that darker shade just to contour my cheekbones, the sides of my face, and the front of my hairline, and then up under my chin and my neck. Y'all, I like to snatch my face, bring that color back, because I be looking real pale after I highlight and not highlight and contour, but after I conceal and highlight, all that stuff, you got to bring that warmth back. You have to snatch it back, sis. Now to go in and deepen my contour, I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation powder, and I believe this color is Mocha. And as you guys see, it just, you know, makes it a little just more deeper. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah. Now I'm going to just take the same beauty blender I used to set my face and just use the excess powder to clean up my contour. Now we're going to dust off the excess, and I did not show this on camera, but I go in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation powder in the color medium beige, and I set everywhere that I highlighted, just so you know everything is blended together with my highlight and my contour. Now I'm going in and just adding a little bit of blush. I do know that it is Wet n Wild, but I do not know the color, guys. I apologize. Next, we're going to do the eyebrows. Y'all, I use the same concealer as I was using when I highlighted to do my eyebrows. I filmed an eyebrow tutorial a couple years ago. Not much has really changed. So, yeah, I don't know how you guys do your eyebrows. I know some people do their eyebrows first, then do their face. I don't know. Sometimes I do my eyebrows first, then do my face. Sometimes, you know, depending on how I'm feeling, I do my face first, then my eyebrows. You know, it depends. But, yeah, I'm going to go in with this brown pencil. I do believe it's just like a Knick Knack New York pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. And, yeah. If my eyebrows look like they're like this reddish tint, I chose this color because I was going to be wearing a blonde wig, and I do not want to have solid black eyebrows with a blonde wig. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat the steps on the other side until I get my desired look. You know, you want them eyebrows to be sisters, not twins. Now you need to bring that nose back to life, sis. Snatch it real good. And once you do that, you want to go in, and I use the same color that I use to contour to use in my eyeshadow lid. I always just do like, you know, a little neutral, smoky, brown look. I really don't wear eyeshadow like that. I'm trying to get more into it, y'all, but I need to perfect my skills first. So yeah. Just go in with whatever eyeshadow you want to use. In my case, I use a neutral color brown. And then I'm going to deepen it with this crease eyeshadow brush. Just deepen it just a little bit. So it kind of gives me that little faux cut crease effect. LOL. Now I'm setting my face with this Revlon setting spray, and you just want to do a little light spray and then air dry. Once that's done, I like to go in with my highlighter, and I will be using the Fenty Hustler Baby highlighter. Now, just to add in a pop of color, I'm going to take this Knick Knack eyeshadow palette and just put that into my waterline. I did pick this fire red color. It doesn't have a name or anything, But yeah, you guys get the picture. I'm just gonna pop that into my water lid and apply my false minks, and that will be the finished look. These lashes are the brand La Flare. I did get them from my beauty supply store for $2.99. And to top it all off, I will be using my Fenty Gloss Bomb on my lips. I don't really use any lipstick or anything like that. This is my all-time fave lip gloss because it goes with everything. Company I will be working with is ISEE Hair. They sent me a 14-inch 613 13x4 lace front wig. Here I'm just showing you everything that came with the packaging. It does come with clips on the side, in the middle, and in the back with adjustable straps. Once you want to go ahead and cut your lace off and stuff, you want to go ahead and clean the perimeter of your forehead with 91% alcohol or witch hazel, whichever one you prefer, and get ready to lay your wig down. Again, guys, I'm just going to be going in with my Ghost Bond Premium. I only use 2 thin layers with using the blow dryer in between. Y'all already know from my viewers that watch my YouTube all the time. I couldn't find my popsicle sticks, so I used the end of a rat tail comb to smooth this out, and then I'm just going to hit it with my blow dryer. But yeah, I repeat these steps starting from the top and working my way from left to right with the sides. That way I just get an even set and make sure everything lays good. So yeah. Next, you want to take your wax stick, and I use this to lay it down on my flyaways, any hairs that are sticking up. And once you lay that down, you want to use your hot comb to press everything out to make sure everything is looking slick and flat. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Babyliss Pro straightener to press out everything, and that will complete the look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. I think this was super cute and super easy, and it blended flawlessly, as you guys can see. And I did not have to do a ball cap method for this style. I am getting a few bit of flyaways. I hope you guys can see that. I just want to take some hairspray and just go over it with my curling iron, and it's laying some of them down. I hope you guys enjoyed this and loved the finished product. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and guys, don't forget to hit that bell so you can get the post notifications when I post. But yeah, this is my Instagram slay from Nay to BADDIE. But yeah, you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.